Students, today we are going to read the first poem from your Honeydew book, The Ant and the Cricket. So children, before teaching you the poem, let me tell you something about the poet of the poem. So the poet of the poem is Aesop's Fables or the Aesopica. So what is Aesopica? Aesopica is a collection of fables. Fables means collection of stories credited to Aesop, a slave and storyteller. So who was Aesop's fables? He was a slave and also a storyteller, believed to have lived in ancient Greece. So he used to live during ancient Greece between 1620 and 564 BCE. So the ant and the cricket is about a silly young cricket and miser ant. Okay, so let's read the poem. A fable is a story. Now what is a fable? Fable एक story होता है, कहानी होता है. Often with animals as characters. तो इनमें animals को हम characters मानते हैं. That conveys a moral and it has a moral at the end. This poem about an ant and a cricket. So you know ant means chiti and cricket means tidda. So this poem is about an ant and a cricket that contains an idea of far-reaching significance, which is as true of a four-legged cricket as of a two-legged one. So इसमें जो भी कहानी है, जो भी मॉरल है, वो ट्रू है. एंड यू नो एज ऑफ अ टू लेग्ड वन. हु इज दिस टू लेग्ड वन? दिस इज बीइंग रेफर्ड टू ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. तो हम इस कहानी में देखेंगे, इस पोएम में देखेंगे कि कैसे एंट एंड क्रिकेट जो हैं, कैसे ऐसे इंसान भी करते हैं. श्योरली यू हैव सीन अ क्रिकेट दैट हैज टू लेग्स. So you have seen a cricket that has two legs. That means human beings who has got two legs. It is being talked about human beings. So students, come to the first line of the poem. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. So over here it is being talked about a cricket, tidda, an insect who is very foolish. And what was his habit? His habit was to sing. So what did he do during the full springtime? During the full springtime when the other animals were working, he enjoyed the springtime. उसने पूरा एंजॉय किया, पूरे टाइम गाना गाया. और स्प्रिंग एक ऐसा सीज़न होता है कि ना ज़्यादा ठंड होती है ना ज़्यादा धूप होती है. तो पूरा उसने स्प्रिंग को क्या किया, गाना गाने में पूरा स्प्रिंग को बिता दिया. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? When he went back his home, he did not found anything in his cupboard. कुछ भी खाने का उसके कबर्ड में नहीं है, पूरी कबर्ड एम्प्टी है. And winter was come, and now the winter season has come. He hasn't worked during the spring season. He has wasted the full spring season in singing, and he has got nothing to eat now. So let's come to the second para. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground. Not a flower could he see. Not a leaf on a tree. So अब एक ब्रेड का टुकड़ा तक नहीं बचा हुआ है. Crumb means a piece of bread. Nothing is he has for eating. पूरा ग्राउंड जो है वो स्नो कवर्ड है क्योंकि स्प्रिंग सीजन जा चुका है. एंड नाउ इट इज द टाइम ऑफ विंटर सीजन. ही कैन नॉट सी अ फ्लावर ऑल्सो, नॉट अ लीफ ऑन अ ट्री. इसने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया स्प्रिंग में, पूरे टाइम एंजॉय किया. अब क्या होगा? ओह, what will become, says the cricket, of me? Oh God, what will happen of me? What will I eat? Where would I live? There are no flowers, there are no leaves on trees. At last, by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grunt. So last में वो भूखा पड़ने लग गया उसको. Scarcity of food हो गया, खाना है ही नहीं, खाएगा क्या? There was scarcity of food. Famine means scarcity of food. There was starvation because he didn't had anything in store to eat. And he was trembling with cold. ठंड से वो कांप रहा था. कहाँ छुपे? ना कोई ट्री है, ना कोई प्लांट है. And it is the time of winter season. So he went to a miserly ant. Now what is the meaning of miserly ant? Miser means कंजूस. एक ant कंजूस ant के पास गया, ये सोचकर कि उसको जिंदा रखने के लिए शायद एंड उसकी कुछ मदद कर दे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. हिम शेल्टर फ्रॉम रेन एंड अ माउथफुल ऑफ ग्रेन. ही विश्ड ओनली टू बोरो. ही वुड रिपे इट टुमारो. इफ नॉट he must die of starvation and sorrow. So the cricket thought that the ant would help him and give him shelter from rain, because during the winter months it rains also, it snows also. So the cricket thought that the ant would help him and give him shelter and give him grain, give him food to eat. And the ant was not begging from the cricket was not begging from ant. He was borrowing all this from ant, and he would return it back to the ant later. He would repay to the ant later. And if the ant wouldn't help him, he would die of starvation and sorrow. वो भूख से और दुख से मर जाएगा. Who? The cricket. Says the ant to me. Says the ant to the cricket, I'm your servant and friend. So when the cricket requests the ant to help him, to give him food and shelter, to help him, to prevent him from rain, then what does the ant replies to the cricket? The ant says that I'm your friend also, I'm your servant also, I'm always there to help you, don't worry. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Borrow means उधार लेना और lend मतलब उधार देना. तो एंट क्रिकेट को कहता है कि ना हम एंट्स उधार लेते हैं ना देते हैं. But tell me dear cricket, did you lay nothing by? When the weather was warm, quoth the cricket, not I. So the ant inquired of the cricket, तुमने कुछ भी बचा के अपने लिए नहीं रखा जब गर्मी था, जब स्प्रिंग सीजन था? कुछ भी नहीं है खाने के लिए, कुछ भी नहीं सेव किया है, कुछ भी नहीं स्टोर किया है. सो द क्रिकेट रिप्लाइड, नथिंग, नॉट आई, नथिंग आई हैव सेव्ड ड्यूरिंग द स्प्रिंग सीजन. माई हार्ट वॉज सो लाइट दैट आई sang डे एंड नाइट. फॉर ऑल नेचर लुक्ड गे. यू sang, सर, यू से. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. तो क्रिकेट एंट से कहता है कि ऐसा बढ़िया मौसम हुआ था स्प्रिंग टाइम पे कि मेरा हार्ट एकदम हल्का हो गया था. मुझे सिर्फ गाना गाना अच्छा लगता था, दिन रात में गाना गाता था. तो एंट उससे पूछती है कि तुमने गाना गाया, तो जाओ आप विंटर में डांस करो. Okay, so the ant says to the cricket that if in the spring you have spoiled the spring in singing, then go and dance in winter and enjoy your winter season. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. So cricket उसके घर से बाहर निकल गया. क्या करता? Folks call this a fable. Folks means people. People call this a fable. People call this poem of the ant and the cricket just a story. I'll warrant it true, but this is true. The poet says, I guarantee you it's true. Some crickets have 4 legs. So this cricket, which is an insect, it has 4 legs. And some have 2. That means, some have 2 means over here it is being talked about human beings who enjoys when they have to work. They don't like to work hard, and later on they seek help from others, they disturb others. ऐसे कुछ इंसान होते हैं जो काम करने के टाइम पे काम नहीं करते हैं, मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते हैं, और जब लेट हो जाता है तो दूसरों को परेशान करते हैं, दूसरे से हेल्प करने कहते हैं और उनका भी टाइम करते हैं, वेस्ट करते हैं. तो ये जो 2 लेग वाले क्रिकेट्स हैं, तो 2 लेग वाले क्रिकेट्स नहीं होते हैं. यहाँ पे ह्यूमन बींग्स के बारे में बोला गया है. जैसे कितने स्टूडेंट हैं जिनको पता है कि 1 मंथ के बाद एग्जाम है, बट दे विल नॉट स्टडी, they will say tomorrow and tomorrow. But some students are there who will work right from the beginning. And finally what will the first kind of students do? They will study on the exam date, they will call their friends, they will disturb them, they will ask the notes, they will call them to explain something in very short. So this is being referred to human beings. Hope you have understood this poem. Thank you.